If you're looking for a brand new home here in Elk Grove, California, but you haven't found perhaps the right location, maybe the floor plan, or potentially haven't found the right home for the value and the money that you're willing to spend, well, you're gonna love this video because I'm taking you across a community that is just minutes outside of Elk Grove by DR Horton, located in the Delta Shores, Sacramento area. For some buyers, having an Elk Grove address will still make sense, but for others, I think this community is a hidden gem. Let's show you the floor plans this community has, pricing, availability, and also talk about how even though you are just minutes outside of Elk Grove, you still have access to the same amenities and similar neighborhoods in this community as well. Let's get started. Before we show you the homes, let's show you where this community is actually located. Circling Elk Grove on your screen right now, and I'm drawing a couple of arrows to show you how this new community is just minutes away from Elk Grove. We have Sacramento up north with the community right in the middle, and of course you have Elk Grove just minutes away from this new community that I'm going to highlight in the video today. This specific community is by DR Horton. Ibiza is the community name. This specific community, I'm going to highlight two model homes. Both of these don't have any HOAs. The Mello-Roos is going to be about $352. Let's get you into the first home. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,617 square feet. Price point around $695,000. Lot sizes are available up to 6,000 square feet. 2-car garage homes, and a special thing about this specific home is that it has a multi-gen with a separate entrance. As soon as you come into the house, you have a lengthy hallway. On the left, we're gonna have the multi-gen suite that we're gonna show you a little bit later in the video. But right now, I want to show you this beautiful open floor plan that is great in size, has tons of natural sunlight flowing in. Taking you into the kitchen now, showing you the beautiful stainless steel appliances. You have beautiful cabinetry, laminated flooring, and plenty of space in the kitchen area with space for a dining table, and of course all the furniture that you would need in your family room. Here is a quick sneak peek into the backyard as well. The 6,000 square feet lot size definitely is helpful for this specific floor plan. And again, this is an open floor plan where you have the kitchen, the dining, and the family room all in one area of the house. Let's take you towards the front of the house again to show you the multi-gen that has a separate entrance. So as soon as you come into the multi-gen suite, a little bit further down, you're gonna see kind of like the family room of the multi-gen, which also has a full-sized bedroom plus a private bathroom. Here is the door that opens up to the side of the house. You just saw also a small kitchenette area in the multi-gen. You have a laundry space on the left, and here is the entrance into the bedroom that is part of the multi-gen suite. Of course, has a closet. You have access to the side patio as well. And of course, you have an attached full private bathroom as part of this multi-gen. Really immensely helpful if you're a multi-generational family, or perhaps you have family or friends or maybe parents who visit you often, stay the night. I mean, this space is ideal for guests who might be staying overnight, or potentially parents who might be staying with you for a longer period of time. Right outside of the multi-gen entrance, you have a half a bathroom in the hallway as well. In addition to the half a bathroom in the hallway on the right, you have the entrance into the 2-car garage. You have, of course, additional closet space there too. We are now going to take you to the second floor and show you the loft, the primary suite of the house, and additional bedrooms, and the hallway bathroom that is located upstairs on the second floor. This specific floor plan is really ideal because again, it gives you a full suite downstairs with a bathroom and also a bedroom, which is basically private because it's all together. And on the second floor, you get a beautiful loft that you just saw. After the loft, we're going to take you inside the primary bedroom of the house. Of course, has a spacious attached private bathroom. In addition to that, we're going to show you the other two bedrooms that are located upstairs, along with the laundry room and the hallway bathroom. Talking a little bit about this community of DR Horton at Delta Shores. This is really up and coming community here in Sacramento. And again, it's just minutes away from Elk Grove. It is Sacramento's one of the best hidden gem new communities. Again, just minutes away from Elk Grove, features and shows you and gets you all the perhaps the amenities you would get in Elk Grove from a brand new house perspective. On top of that, the price is a lot lower compared to what you would get in Elk Grove. So a home like this, whereas by Delta Shores here in DR Horton, it's currently listed at about $695,000. If you had the same house in Elk Grove, it would probably be $750,000 to about $800,000, depending on the builder. And of course, the Mello-Roos would be probably more than $500. Whereas in this community, it's about $352 per month. Additional incentives are available with DR Horton, and this is where we have successfully negotiated on behalf of our clients with the builder. We can get you a 4.99 30-year fixed rate. And again, not an ARM loan, it's a fixed 30-year rate. In addition to that, we will get you partial closing cost assistance as well. So make sure you work with a local realtor who understands the market before you go visit any of these communities, and especially before you get into contract with any of these communities. I want to talk a little bit more about what the community in general offers and what the amenities are. Let me hold off on that after I kind of walk through the second home. This specific home that I want to highlight now is 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,594 square feet. Price point is about $640,000. Lot sizes are approximately 5,200 square feet, 2-car garage. And a special feature of these homes is that these specific floor plan have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the ground floor, which is very, very unique. As soon as you come into the house, you're welcomed into the open floor plan as well. It's a little bit different than the previous model home that you saw, where everything was just in one sort of row. This is more L-shaped kitchen, dining, and the family room area. You, of course, have beautiful kitchen cabinetry here as well. You have the garage door, additional sort of pantry space, and you have the laundry room on the ground floor. Again, beautiful kitchen cabinetry, laminated flooring, beautiful spacious area for your dining table, and of course, all the furniture that you would need to put into the family room. Backyard is also beautiful, spacious for you to enjoy the sunny weather of California. We're going to show you one additional unique feature about this house, which is that this specific home has the primary bedroom on the ground floor, meaning you have your primary suite with the attached bathroom on the ground floor. In addition to that, you have an additional hallway bedroom and a hallway full-sized bathroom on the ground floor, and the remaining bedrooms are located on the second floor. Speaking of the primary bedroom being on the ground floor, let's show you that first and kind of show you how spacious it is, how beautiful it is with all the natural sunlight flowing in, and of course show you the spacious attached private bathroom as well. Let's talk a little bit more about location. Again, it's Highway 5 and it's just a minute away from Highway 5 exit in the Delta Shores area. Very conveniently located, about 15 to 20 minutes to Sacramento, and also being close to Highway 5 gives you easy access to the Bay Area, to San Francisco, all the way down to San Jose if you have to commute for your job perhaps. So great location. And of course, we kind of talked about pricing already, that these prices are going to be lower than what you would find in Elk Grove. So these homes and this community is a good alternative. Speaking of the additional hallway, bedroom, and bathroom on the ground floor, that is what we are showing you now. You have the bedroom towards the front of the house. You also have a hallway full-sized bathroom in the hallway, making it a total of 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on the ground floor. And of course, we're going to take you upstairs to show you the second story of this specific home. Let's talk about schools a little bit. So there is a school here about 5 minutes driving distance from this community. That school serves kindergarten through 8th grade. And then the high school is going to be about 10 minutes of drive time, which will serve grades 9 through 12. There is a future elementary school planned by the Sacramento School District that is going to be walking distance from this community, but they haven't really broken ground on that project yet, so it's probably a few years out. But getting in early in this community while amenities such as schools and parks are still getting built around can really give you that edge of being in a home in a community early enough where you build equity over time as the city invests more time and more amenities into these neighborhoods. Again, this community could be a great alternative to Elk Grove. Sacramento is one of the best hidden communities that I wanted to highlight on the channel. If this is something that incentivizes you to look beyond Elk Grove, do give me a call. I will look forward to speaking with you about this specific community. Since it's the same builder, the incentives are pretty similar. You get 4.99 30-year fixed rate, and you get partial closing cost assistance. I want to emphasize that make sure you work with a local realtor who understands new construction, who knows the builders, who knows what incentives they're willing to offer to make sure you leave no money on the table when purchasing your new home. Before we wrap up, I want to share some closing thoughts with you. All right, that was the quick look at DR Horton's community here in Delta Shores in Sacramento. Again, for buyers that want an Elk Grove address, that makes sense that they want to spend the extra money to procure a great home in Elk Grove. But for others who are not necessarily tied to having an Elk Grove address, I think this community opens up a lot of potential to get a larger home for perhaps the amount of value and money that you want to put into your next house. This is Sandeep Singh. I'm a local expert at new construction here in Elk Grove and greater Elk Grove area. If you have any questions about what you saw in the video today, or if you want to discuss your options, it's never too early to start a conversation. My number is going to be in the description of the video. Let's get the conversation going to make this greater Elk Grove area your future home.